Hey, this is Tim. Today we got a '08 Hyundai Azera Limited. We'll be doing the AC compressor. You won't need anything up top. Everything will be down bottom. That's your AC compressor right here. This one's all covered in some nice oil, but I'm gonna be removing this little flap here, a little push pin, a couple of tins. Pull it out of the way. See if I can't get to all these. All right, once you get this front cover and this cover off here, you're gonna have to squeeze in through this way and from that way. Let's go take the belt off first. Okay, your lines, your bolts right here are gonna be 12 millimeter. Your lines up here, you can see that. You got one 10 millimeter there, one there, and then your two top ones. But undo your hoses first so you can get that out of the way. You can try many different things. I found that just a little 1/4 inch drive to get these lines off. Right there on the top. And of course you got these two bolts here, and once you get that line off there, you'll be able to get that top bolt 12, and then that other one over here. As soon as you move this line, I'll show you. You know, once you get that upper line off, you got all the room in the world to get them other two bolts, and then you got her out. Okay, then we'll just match up the new one. That's pretty good. The main thing is just make sure that you got oil in it. This one comes with oil, some of them don't, so make sure that you check which ones you've got that comes with oil or not. And I'm gonna start putting it in. Okay, next thing, what I do now is I put the belt on because it's just easier. The belt is you have to loosen this one on the bottom there. You got to loosen that one 3/4, and then the top one is a 19. That top nut, you got to turn it counterclockwise, and it takes the tension off. I always put it on before I put everything else on because it's just easier to get to the belt like that, but that's how you do the belt. The old one had studs like that, but you can use the ones that what it comes with just a bolt. It doesn't matter. I mean, you're bolting it on, it doesn't matter. Just use the bolt that comes with and tighten it up. All right, this is how it should look. Everything in, plug everything up, put your belt on, check everything. Of course, I put new oil rings on everything. Sure everything's tight. Then run a vacuum with it. I'm gonna run a vacuum, and we'll do a leak check. All right, everything working good out here. Pressure running good. See how we're cooling in here. Like and subscribe, please. Yeah, come on.